Cooking is a skill that goes beyond just following recipes. It's about understanding the science behind the ingredients and techniques. Have you ever wondered why we bake bread at high temperatures or why meat turns brown when we cook it? The answer lies in the fascinating world of science. From the sizzle of oil in a pan to the perfect rise of a cake, science plays a crucial role in every step of cooking. By understanding the basic principles of heat transfer, chemical reactions, and the properties of ingredients, you can elevate your cooking skills and impress your friends and family with your culinary creations. So, get ready to put on your chef's hat and embark on a journey into the delicious world of food science. It's time to unlock the secrets behind your favorite dishes and discover the amazing transformations that occur when science meets cooking. Heat is the driving force behind cooking, and understanding how it transfers is essential for achieving culinary success. There are three main methods of heat transfer: conduction, convection, and radiation. Conduction is the transfer of heat through direct contact. When you place a pan on a hot stovetop, heat is conducted from the burner to the pan, and then to the food inside. Convection, on the other hand, involves the transfer of heat through the movement of liquids or gases. For example, when you boil water, the heat from the burner heats the water at the bottom of the pot, causing it to rise and create convection currents that distribute the heat throughout the water. Lastly, radiation is the transfer of heat through electromagnetic waves. This is how food is cooked in a microwave oven, where electromagnetic waves penetrate the food and cause its molecules to vibrate and generate heat. Understanding these different methods of heat transfer allows you to choose the most appropriate cooking technique for different ingredients and dishes. Cooking is not just about applying heat, it's also about the chemical reactions that occur when ingredients are subjected to heat. These reactions are responsible for the amazing flavors, aromas, and textures that we associate with delicious food. One such reaction is the Maillard reaction, a complex chemical process that occurs when amino acids and sugars are heated together. This reaction is what gives browned foods like seared steaks, toasted bread, and roasted coffee their characteristic rich, savory flavors. Another important chemical reaction in cooking is caramelization, which occurs when sugars are heated to high temperatures. This process breaks down the sugars and creates hundreds of new compounds, resulting in the sweet, nutty, and complex flavors found in caramel candies, caramelized onions, and crème brûlée. By understanding these and other chemical reactions, you can manipulate ingredients and cooking techniques to create dishes with incredible depth of flavor. Section 4. Experiments in the kitchen, putting science into action. Now that we've covered some of the basic scientific principles behind cooking, it's time to put that knowledge into practice with some fun and easy experiments you can try at home. One simple experiment is to explore the science of heat transfer by cooking an egg in different ways. Try frying an egg in a pan, poaching it in simmering water, and baking it in the oven. Observe how the different methods of heat transfer affect the egg's cooking time and texture. You can also experiment with the Maillard reaction by toasting a piece of bread. Notice how the color and flavor of the bread change as it browns. For a sweet treat, try making caramel by slowly heating sugar in a saucepan. Observe the changes in color, texture, and aroma as the sugar caramelizes. These simple experiments will give you a first-hand look at the science behind cooking and inspire you to experiment further in the kitchen. Section 5. Tools of the trade, the science behind kitchen gadgets. From knives to blenders to ovens, kitchen tools are designed to make cooking easier and more efficient. But have you ever stopped to think about the science behind these tools and how they work? For example, a chef's knife is designed with a sharp edge and a tapered blade to reduce friction and make slicing through food effortless. A blender uses a rapidly spinning blade to create a vortex that pulls ingredients down and blends them smoothly. And an oven uses principles of heat transfer to distribute heat evenly and cook food from all sides. Understanding the science behind your kitchen tools can help you use them more effectively and choose the right tool for the job. It also allows you to appreciate the ingenuity and innovation that goes into designing these everyday objects. Section 6. Conclusion. Embracing the science of deliciousness. Cooking is a wonderful blend of art and science. By understanding the scientific principles behind cooking, you can unlock a world of culinary possibilities and create dishes that are both delicious and visually appealing. From the precise measurements of ingredients to the controlled application of heat, every step in the cooking process involves scientific principles that influence the final outcome. So, the next time you step into the kitchen, remember that you're not just cooking, you're conducting a series of scientific experiments that result in mouth-watering meals. Embrace the science of deliciousness, experiment with different ingredients and techniques, and most importantly, have fun exploring the fascinating world of food science.